friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start chapter 2 polynomial of class 9th. Our first topic is algebraic expression. Then what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer constants, variables and the algebraic operations. Example 6x square minus 5x plus 2. Clear? Next our topic is variable. What is variable? Varying quantity represented by a letter or symbol. Varying quantity represented by a letter or symbol. Then I have letter x, y, p, q, z, etc. These are letters, so that these are known as variables. So here x and this x both are variable. Clear? X, y, z, p, q, r, s, these are variables, so that x and this x both are variable. Next, constant. A fixed quantity that does not vary is constant. Here 2 is constant. Clear? Next, coefficient. A number which multiplies a variable. Suppose that we have variable x and we are multiplying in x by 3, so that our result is 3x. Here 3 is coefficient of this variable. It means x. Clear? So that 3 is coefficient. Here the coefficient of x is 6. Clear? So that 6 is known as coefficient. Clear? Next, exponent. What is exponent? Shown the number of times a variable or number is multiplied by itself. It means, suppose that we have x, how many times? 3 times. Clear? X multiply by x multiply by x, so that our result is x cube. How many times x are written here? Here is 3 times, so that the power of x is 3 and this 3 is known as exponent. Here the power of x is 2, so that 2 is known as exponent. Clear? 2 is known as exponent. Power of y, it means 5 is known as exponent. Power of x is 5, so that this 5 is exponent. Clear? Next, operators. A symbol indicating what operations must be done. Here plus and this minus is known as operators. Clear? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. It means the sign of plus, minus, multiply and divide is known as operators. Clear? Next term. One part of an expression which may be a number, a variable or product of both. One part of an expression. Here we have expression 6x square minus 5x plus 2, and the term is one part of expression. One part of expression, it means that may be x, that may be a number, it means that may be a variable, that may be a number, or the product of variable and number. It means here we can say that x plus y. X is a term. Clear? Y is also a term. Or the multiply of 2 and x. It means 2 is a number and x is a variable. It means the product of x and 2, it means variable and number is also a term. So that here 6x square is a term, 5x is also a term and 2 is also a term. Clear? 6x square is term, 5x is term and 2 is also term. Clear? So these are the definitions of algebraic expression: variable, constant, coefficient, exponent, operators and terms. Clear? Algebraic expression 6x cube minus y plus 6 plus z. Here 6 is coefficient, x cube, here cube, it means 3 is exponent, x, y and z is variable and 6 is constant. Why constant? Because here no one variable. Clear? It means the product of our next topic is polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the exponent of variable is positive integer or zero called polynomial. It means if the exponent of variable is positive integer or zero, then that's called polynomial. Example: here x is variable and 3 is exponent. 3 is exponent which is positive integer. So that this is polynomial. And other example: here y is variable and x is also variable. The exponent of y is 3 which is positive integer. So that this is polynomial. And here x is also variable which exponent is plus 1 which is positive integer. So that this is also known as polynomial. Next example: 5x. Here x is variable and minus 3 is exponent which is not positive integer. It is negative integer. So that this is not polynomial. Clear? So that this is not polynomial. I hope you understood polynomial. Our next topic is classification of polynomial based on number of terms. Polynomial, there are 3 types of polynomial: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Clear? Monomial, binomial, trinomial. A polynomial with one term. Polynomial with one term is known as monomial. Example: 5x, 6y, minus 8z, etc. Clear? A polynomial with one term, only one term is known as monomial. Clear? Next, a polynomial with 2 terms is known as binomial. Example: 5x plus 6, 8x minus y. Here 5x is first term and 6 is second term. So that this is binomial. Here 8x is first term and y is second term. So that this is binomial. Clear? Next, trinomial. A polynomial with 3 terms is known as trinomial. Example: 6x plus 8 minus 8y. Here 6x is first term, 8 is second term and 8y is third term. So that this is trinomial. Clear? I hope you understood this.